wonder what I carry in my winter bag. So I'm here to show you. But first I'm gonna announce that I am going to be doing giveaways in the future, so don't forget to hit like and subscribe and pay attention throughout the videos, because I will announce that at any point in time in the videos. So let's get started. For my small pocket, obviously the most important thing, face mask with the COVID going around, my glasses, my Altoid container that I did in a previous video. I got my black duct tape, which can be used in a emergency situation, for fire starting, any wound care. If you get a big gouge, you can pull the skin together, tape it off. In this, there's fishing line, hooks, and sinkers. Chapstick, it's a good fire starter. Lighter is always good to have during the winter. Benadryl for allergic reactions or allergies. Liquid Band-Aid. And etc. migraine. And more hooks and sinkers. So that's what is in my Altoid container. This I just got in the mail today. This has multiple uses. So I will be carrying that on me now. You can use it for a scarf, gathering dew, for water collection, carrying what you find in the woods for foraging. Biofreeze, for sprained muscles, bruises, aches, pains. I don't go too far without that. My small version, actually I better throw this on there, so I'll misplace it. Alright. The survival keychain that I did in one of my previous videos. Multi-tool, knife, whistle, my paracord. In these waterproof containers. This one I have fishing line and sinkers. Can never have enough of that. Goodness, that one didn't want to come open. This one has my coated matches in it. Took wax and I put the wax over the matches so they stay dry. Oh, I have to pick that one up. Trying to get it out. Don't want to come out too well. And with my matches, I have a piece of fat wood, which will burn for a little while. This keychain is really convenient. So there's that. Water purification is very important. This is good to up to 10,000 gallons of water. So it's going to last me a long time. it does come with a straw and a filtration bag, which I'll show you. There's my filtration bag for it. I just screw that on there. Fill this up, screw that on there, and drink away. Diaper wipes. After you use the bathroom, hey Bozzy. Or cleaning wounds. If you get alcohol based, makes a good fire starter. Another lighter. Never have enough of those. My keys. Come on. This, I have my ferro rod, more paracord, and this is my waxed cotton, which will also start a fire. Tylenol sinus, because I suffer from major sinus issues. There it is. Okay. Knife. You definitely need that. This one has a window punch on it. Seatbelt cutter. Another ferro rod. Flashlight. And you can tell by looking at it, I've used it quite a bit. Oh, that's it for that portion. May as well put this up and put it back in there, right? That's just my collection bin for all my small stuff. Alright. Quick shelter. Something you can set up in less than 5 minutes. Keep you out of the rain and the snow and the wind, and you start a fire under it. Definitely important to stay dry. Bandanas have a lot of uses. Excuse me, kind sir. Use them for tourniquets. Use them to start a fire. Char cloth. Blow in your nose. Wiping out to use the bathroom. Endless possibilities with these. This one's a little beat up, but this one's going to be turned into char cloth this spring. I don't ever fold any of my stuff. I really should. Gloves that are good for negative 20 degrees. Will you stop? Winter hat. My knee brace, because my knee goes out. Rain jacket, because even in 70-degree weather, hypothermia can kick in. So you're definitely gonna want one of those. And aluminum foil. Aluminum foil can be set up behind a fire to reflect heat. You can cook with it. A lot of uses for that. I'll do another video on just aluminum foil and its uses. So I will put all this back in here. When I go ahead and I'm out in the woods, I have a layer of long johns underneath my jeans, and then my snow pants. These snow pants are good for up to negative 20 degrees with wind chill. I like these snow pants. They hold up really well because we all know I beat the daylights out of my belongings. Oh. And ice cleats. God knows you don't want to slip and fall in an icy area or out on a lake when you're ice fishing, because that could lead to broken bones or falling through the ice, depending on your situation. I'll put all that back in there. Okay, and that's all that's in my bag. Now, for what I wear on top, because your core body temperature is very important. If your core body temperature gets cold, and even if you don't realize it, the rest of you gets cold. Your feet, the whole 9 yards. So I'll use tank top, flannel, usually another shirt, and a hoodie. Along with my jacket. Now, what I carry in my jacket, besides my cell phone. I can't stand it when my nose runs away from me. Band-aid on blow my nose. Looks like receipts in that pocket. More face masks. Those you can start a fire with too. Plastic bag. Plastic bags have a lot of different uses. Water collection. Keeping your feet dry. If you put them on your feet and then in your boots. You stuff it with leaves. Make a bedding. Lay on that. Helps insulate you. My inside pocket. I got a rock in there. I don't really need a dime in there. Another face mask, that's what I need. My bank card. Hand warmers. Hand warmers you can use not only to warm up your hands, your feet, if your whole body is warm or cold, sorry. You can take these warmers, shake them up, put them underneath your glands, where your glands are, underneath your arms. You have glands between your thighs. And it will heat up the rest of your body. When these are no longer keeping you warm, another good thing with hand warmers or foot warmers, very good fire starter. And I'll be showing that to you later this year. And that's all that's in my jacket. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.